Okay, loss of innocent civilian lives, property damage, retaliation, all of these factors need to be considered when making decisions about war. In our reading this week, Drone Wars Case Study, one author claimed that drones kill a lower ratio of civilians to combatants. My question is, how does anyone decide what is an acceptable percentage of civilian deaths? Reports from various sources fail to agree, probably to skew public opinion toward different groups. Opponents argue that the U.S. has violated Pakistani sovereignty, but I argue that Pakistan has not tried hard enough to keep the terrorist group's leaders out of their country, as they have agreed to do and accepted money to support their military in doing so. Many people want transparency, but I believe that until this fight is over, secrecy is a part of our weapons arsenal. In my opinion, the United States should continue with the drone strikes while implementing a set of checks and balances on operations and with honest, accurate reporting of outcomes to superiors. While I disagree with the concept of war, I acknowledge the need to defend ourselves and our freedoms. From Captain Moroni, we learn some of the reasons for protecting ourselves. In memory of our God, our religion, and freedom, and our peace, our wives, and our children, I believe that these are valid reasons for protecting ourselves, for going to war against those who would hurt us. I would pray that this could come to an end, but I realize that in these last days that is probably not something that will happen. So, see you next week.